Capulet here, watching the street. Paris asking for a suit that's bittersweet. He's eager and impatient, wanting her today, but I'm being protective. She's a stranger, I say. She's only 13, just my little child. Wait 2 summers before she's reconciled. It's a simple accident, a broken chain, a servant with the lid who can't read the name. The dominoes are falling, fate is in the hand of a man with the wrong tools for the land. I'm the sad hero, bound by my own grief. Benvolio says find a new fire for relief. Then a stranger prays, sir, can you read this scroll? I see her name Rosaline, and it takes my soul. He thinks I'm a friend, calls his master rich and great, inviting the enemy right through the gate. One party, 2 goals.